para kung ito po ba ay makuha natin. Okay, pindutin po natin itong acceleration. Ayan, meron na namang continue or give up. Yan, mag-give up na tayo at mag-proceed sa maliit na amount. Give up dahil 1,400 or 1,400 po ang winidraw ko, at dito ay mag-proceed na naman tayo sa 570. Click po natin 570, then itong withdrawal method, GCash, then confirm, then select withdraw. Ayan, makikita nyo na wala po siyang kasunod o wala na siyang acceleration process. Okay, confirm or withdraw lang natin, then input ko na yung information. Withdraw. Ayan, successful withdrawal, send you cash, 570 has arrived. Then click happy to accept. Okay, then try na naman tayo ng mag-withdraw ulit ng 570 kung masubukan ba natin ulit. Withdraw. Ayan, meron na siyang acceleration process. Click IC. Ayan, meron tayo acceleration naman. Click natin itong wallet. Ayan, withdrawin na po yung 570. Yun po, guys.